Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody emailed me this. Basically, it's an 8 with separation. Really pretty easy. Doesn't matter what size you make your ellipse. Control D and make a duplicate and then make the second ellipse. Grab both of them and Control D and grab that one right there and hold down your control button and it'll snap to that. Now, these are 4 objects, so these are still separated. So we're going to go to Effects. And you could do this by just drawing lines, but this would be more uh, evenly. I'm going to go to the outside, just 0.2 of an inch. That might be a little bit much, but then grab that one and 0.2 of the inch. The most important thing you could do now is grab them all and break the 6 objects apart, which are breaking the contour apart. Because if you don't do that, this is going to react. Then just delete those lines. Don't worry about the outside line. We're only worrying about the inside lines. And then when you can move that over. Now, they didn't say if they need those exact colors, but we could do that. We could go color eyedropper and grab that and put it right there, and you got that same color. Now, I don't know if they need the backup color. What you have to do then, you have to change it to green, go up to object, order, back a page, then get your color eyedropper tool and take a sample and put it in there. The only difference is that I didn't make my inner circle as small as they did, but you could see how you could do that. And if this is part of a logo, just draw an ellipse and put it on top of your drawing. Of course, the size is really going to determine, how big this is, but it would be more proportionate if you did it this way. Let me turn that line black so we can see it. And then Control D and make a duplicate and just when you have this one centered, hold down your Shift key and it'll grow from the center. And then that way you'll have that. Now, and even as far as the part right there, see, it's a little bit short of what they had in the logo. So let's go, you can always go up just a couple of hairs. That's perfect. And then, of course, you'd have to do the next one, but I'd go ahead and break the contour apart, break the 3 elements apart, and then grab that top one and move it down till it snaps to there. And then I would get rid of, well, evidently I didn't make a copy. You know what, and I think I moved something. So let's Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it. And then, so also you want to think about, you don't want that contour you don't want the contour to mess you up as far as placement. And then take your virtual segment delete key. And I think you're going to have that the exact one size-wise. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.